Today, we have some crucial news to discuss. Mongodb, a widely used database management system, recently experienced a security incident. Stick around as we break down the details and share what you need to know to stay informed. The incident came to light on Saturday, December 16, 2023, when Mongodb identified unauthorized access to its corporate systems. Although no evidence of access to customer system logs was found, it's a concerning situation. Mongodb is taking this seriously. They've initiated an investigation involving both authorities and forensic experts. The company is committed to transparency, and updates will be provided as the investigation progresses. Reports indicate that the unauthorized access involved customer account metadata, contact information, customer names, phone numbers, and email addresses. The good news is that no security vulnerabilities were found in Mongodb products, and the Mongodb Atlas cluster showed no evidence of unauthorized access. Mongodb clarified that the Mongodb Atlas cluster authentication operates independently from Mongodb corporate systems. There's no evidence of compromise on the authentication system, which is reassuring for users relying on Mongodb Atlas. In a subsequent report, Mongodb noted a spike in login attempts causing issues with Atlas and the Mongodb support portal. It's important to highlight that this login spike was unrelated to the security incident. Mongodb urged users to retry after a few minutes.
Investigations are ongoing, and a complete incident report is yet to be published. It's a reminder for organizations to keep all systems updated and patch products appropriately to prevent such incidents.
That's the latest on the Mongodb security incident. We'll keep you updated as more information becomes available. Stay tuned for our future videos on cybersecurity and data protection. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay secure.